The first spell we're going to talk about today is Lumos. When you say Lumos, it makes a ball of light appear at the end of your wand.
So, the word lumos comes from the Latin root lumen, meaning light.
Lumos. 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 Our next spell, Sectum Sempra. Dark magic time, baby. Dark magic. Dark magic. Dark magic. Dark magic. Dark. 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 Dark magic. Dark magic. Dark magic. Dark magic. Now float. Now float. Dark magic. Dark magic. And now, another man pops out of the back of my head and starts talking to you. Hello! I'm gonna kill you if you don't give me the stone, and it's red, and it's a ruby. And now, the translation of Sectum Sempra.
So, the word sectum in Latin means to cut, and the word sempra means never-ending. And do you know what sectum sempra does?
It kills them.
No, that's a Kedavra, but very close. Sectum sempra opens up unclosable cuts without the characters. No. Don't you dare. Nope. I'm ready.
Ridiculous!
Protego. Wait. Ridiculous doesn't work on anyone but bondage. Is that the only spell you know?
Ridiculous! It could work.